Hi, this is Orly, and I wanted to show you a design that I'm working on OGees Seed Beading design tool. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with this tool, it's a two-sided board. Each side has smaller and larger dimples to accommodate smaller and larger seed beads. On this side, they're in straight row. On this side, they're offset, so you could do peyote type work. Each board, of course, has the wells for the beads that you're using to make it convenient. And I like to use a cross-lock tweezer. I've been using it for years, but certainly any kind of tweezer will do. I'm using the straight row, smaller dimpled side. I'm using 11 and 8 size seed beads. I'm mixing and matching a little bit. So this is the design that I've come up with. I've left the center open because I'm going to do something decorative. This is a bracelet, by the way. Did I mention that? So I'm going to do something decorative in the middle. Now, any design you do on the board, regardless of whether it's on this side, the larger beads, you can do on a loom. You can transfer it on a loom, or you can just do freehand. The other nice thing about the board is that you can pick it up and move it, put it down at the end of the day, bring it back, and the beads are going to stay where you put them. So anyway, I'm just going to do a couple of beads here just to show you how easy it is. And again, I do like the cross lock. So what I've done here, by the way, is this is the design that I created, and it's going to be the same design up here. So I'm duplicating the design, and I use these two side beads just to kind of guide me as to where I am, to what line I'm at. So you see, I just grab the, sometimes you can get twofers, which is really neat, but I got one this time. And I'm just placing the seed bead where I need to. I see I need a gold one right there. It goes pretty quickly once you get the hang of it. So I'm just going to do a few here, and what I'll do is once the product is done, I'll come back and show you how it looks on as a finished product. But that's all I wanted to show you. I think I've covered everything. You can see I'm whizzing along here. Yeah, sometimes I miss, but I'm close enough. Anyway, the really nice thing about the tool is that if you decide you want to change something, you know, you put the wrong bead in somewhere, you take it out, you replace it with something else. It's really nice if you're creating something and you want to make changes as you go along. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully you'll see the second half of this with the finished product, so you'll get a better idea of, I'll do a side-by-side for you so you can see. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, it's Orly. This is part B of the original video. I wanted to show you the bracelet that I was working on. I also wanted to show you my face because it dawned on me that you didn't see my face in the first one. You just heard this voice coming from nowhere. So hello. This is OGees Seed Beading Design Board. In the first part of the video, you saw me building the top half of this bracelet. I had designed the bottom half, and I was just duplicating the top half. I mentioned to you that I left this space open because I was going to put some kind of design in there. So now I have, voila, the finished product. I wanted to show you for a couple of reasons. The first is these were size 11 seed beads with a couple of with a few size 8 thrown in, and the there's a certain amount of shrinkage. The smaller the seed bead, the more it's going to shrink from the design. So you need to be aware of that. And the easiest solution for that is just to string a few rows when you design something to get a feel for what the actual size is going to be. Anyway, so this is the finished design. And like I said, I just wanted to show it to you, to finish this up, to finish up the project. And there you have it. I did wear it out the other night. I got a lot of compliments. Yay, made me feel good. There will be other projects that I'm working on that I'll show you. The versatility of OGees Seed Bead Design Board is really pretty nifty. And you may recall it has the different sizes for different size seed beads. And on the other side, this is the straight row side. On the other side, it's staggered, so you could do peyote stitches. And that's it. Thanks very much for tuning in. And I'll see you soon on another project. Bye.